Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. Today I have a fun video. I am going to be showing you what is in our road trip bag. We love taking road trips and I always love to pack a bag full of essentials. So I'm going to show you what I always pack. Before that, I would love to welcome you to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you'd like to see more, please make sure you subscribe down below. You can give it a thumbs up if you like the video. But enough of that, I'm gonna get into what is in our road trip bag. So we love to road trip. My poor husband is definitely an interstate guy. He wants to get where he's going and get there quickly. Well, he was before he met me. I am a back roads girl. I love taking back roads. I hate taking the interstate, especially in my home state of Georgia. Like, I just love winding through Georgia, seeing all the teeny tiny towns, and just getting a feel of what the state is really about. I love that. So a lot of times if we're going somewhere, we choose to drive instead of fly, just because I love being on the road. So I always keep a road trip bag ready to go for when we want to do a road trip, even if it's just like a day trip or a weekend trip or a week trip. It's ready to go. So I'm going to show you what's in it. So first I'll show you the actual bag I'm using. This is a jute bag from the Augusta National Masters Tournament. It's pretty big. And this is actually from this year that I picked up to use. So that is the bag that I'm using. And it does just have, this is the only pocket it has. It has one little pocket in it. But it's just great to kind of throw everything in and go in the car. And it stands up nicely, so it doesn't fall over in the car, which is important to me. So I'm going to just start pulling stuff out and show you from there. A lot of the stuff I was able to get at the Dollar Tree. So it doesn't cost a lot of money to put this bag together. So a couple of items that I did not get in at the Dollar Tree, but I always keep with me, is a hat. This is actually an Augusta National hat from 2007 that I just love. It's one of my favorite hats, but I always keep a hat in the bag, and that is in case we want to stop and take pictures somewhere. If it's windy, my hair doesn't get too messy, or if a lot of times if we're road tripping, I have not washed my hair. Full disclosure, full honesty, I usually haven't washed my hair. I just throw it back in a cap and a ponytail and go. The next thing that I always have with me in the car are my sunnies. I don't go anywhere without sunglasses. I have super sensitive eyes, and if I don't have them, like, I literally am like crying because the sun hurts my eyes so bad. So I always have these with me. These are Ray-Ban. I don't know what the name of the style is, but these are Ray-Ban, and I actually have prescription lenses in them to help me, like, if I'm driving on the road. So these are my sunnies that I keep with me. Next up is just a necessity item, but it comes in handy so many times, and that is a roll of paper towels. These, I mean, honestly, these are napkins. These are for spills. Like when we were in the car this past weekend, I took a bunch off and put them over Bobby's lap because he was eating a Subway sandwich, and I have a new car and I didn't want it to get everywhere. So these are like a necessity. I always have these with us. So next up, the next necessity I got, and these are from the dollar store, are garbage bags. So they're just a small garbage bag, and these actually even smell like lavender. I got them for $1. I think there's like 70 of them. And whenever we start a road trip, I just take them and pull one off and keep it in the car. And that way I always have a trash bag handy. So if at the end of the trip, all I have to do is grab that bag, throw it away, and there's not a ton of trash left in the car. So these are a lifesaver. So next up are these really fun games, but I always have some kind of entertainment, whether it be magazines or books. When Bobby was smaller, obviously I had a lot more. Now if he has his phone and a tablet, he won't talk to us for 9 hours, but I try to still engage with him even when we're in road trips. So before I would print out, and there's a ton of printables online where you could print out like bingos and things like that that you can do in the car. But the Target dollar spot right now has these, and they are bingo games on these cards. There's 4 different ones. I got 4 different ones, and they are just like things that you can find while you're on the road, and you can play bingo. This is like an exit only sign, a bridge, a motorcycle, food, deer crossing, merging traffic. So these are really fun, and they're really durable, so I'll be able to keep them in our travel bag without having to print out new ones. So I definitely recommend, if you have a dollar spot, go and see if they have these right now, because they're awesome. All right, so next up, just in the activity department, is going to be this. It is just a notebook and a pencil set. My son loves to draw. He loves to make comics. He likes to write. So I have this in here that he can grab out and just do whatever he wants with it. It's just another little activity. Next up in my bag, I have another essential, baby wipes. These are awesome. I just get these little travel packets, again, from the dollar store. These are also from the dollar store, but these are from the dollar store, and they're just so essential whenever you're eating in the car, or just anytime you need a wet napkin. So I have those. These are Huggies. I have hand sanitizer, because duh. This is also from the Dollar Tree, and these came in a 3-pack of travel size ones. This is lavender, so it's just 3 different ones. So I put like one in my travel bag, one in my pool bag, and one in my park bag. So always have that. Next up is tissues. These are obviously for runny noses or toilet tissue. So we have to stop and a bathroom doesn't have them in there. I have these. These are from the Dollar Tree. See, I think the rest. And then the next thing I was going to show you is what we kind of keep in our medicine. So I keep these two super handy. And this is Excedrin Migraine. I got this little set from the Dollar Tree, and it has 3 packets of 2. This is essential. I don't know why it is when we go on a road trip, either me or my husband always have a headache. So I have those. I got this little first aid kit from the Dollar Tree, and it just pops open, and it's just got antiseptic wipes and band-aids in it. See that? And then I have my road trip medicine bag. This is just an old Estee Lauder Lily Pulitzer bag. And in here, I keep a little bit of everything, so that way if we are overnight and we need something. So I have some Dramamine. I have Advil, ibuprofen. I have Unisom, so if we're having trouble sleeping in a hotel room. I have Gas-X because road food. And I also have this little container that has Tums, and these are C-bands. They help with like driving and not getting sick, so if you don't want to take medicine, and you just take the little band. I got these at Walmart. You take the band, and there's like a white like dome on it, and you put it on your wrist, and it goes right in between like these 2 veins. The dot does. And supposedly they're supposed to help you with motion sickness. My mother-in-law swears by them, and they work pretty well. So that is what I keep in the medicine bag. All right, so the next things are just, oh, actually that's not true. Baggies. I cannot preach the multi-uses of baggies enough. We love Ziplocs, and they always come in handy for road trips. Whether you have food left over, you can put them in here, and that way you're not spilling it everywhere. I have used them to keep receipts in if we need to. I've used them for everything. Seashells, a little bit of everything. So I have just some clear plastic baggies. The rest of it are snacks. And so I try to keep a wide variety in our bag. So I usually have some kind of chip for the teenager, preteen teenager. And then I got these cheese dippers. These are convenient, obviously, for the road, so you don't have a lot of mess. I have some Raisinette Snap Mix. These and these I both got from the Dollar Tree. I have pistachios if you're feeling a little healthier. And then I have these are my favorite like nutrition bar, because you get hungry on the road, but you know, you don't want to stop. You want to get some more road under your belt. And so these RX bars are amazing. They have 12 grams of protein, and that is peanut butter chocolate, and the other one's chocolate sea salt. So I'll show you these. And these are just some of my favorite bars to keep in our bags. because they are very filling and you don't have to stop as much. A couple other things that I don't have in this bag but I always take with us are extra bottles of water. It's super important to hydrate, and I don't do it as much as I should on the road because then I have to stop and go to the restroom. But I do pack extra bottles of water in there as well. So these are just a couple of things that I keep on hand when we are taking a road trip. And I hope that it inspires you just to put a little bag together, and that way if you want to just go for the day or go for the weekend, it's easy, you're already ready, you just pick it up and head out the door. And you got everything you need. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments. Let me know if there's something that's missing from my bag that you recommend that I put in there. And I will definitely add it. I was thinking about doing a pool bag and a park bag as well, because I already have those pre-packed. If you would like to see that, let me know in the comments too. So I hope y'all have a great day. Go out, find an adventure, and God bless.